So students, now we will study future tense in passive form. You will use BEB in your passive answer. That means in our passive construction, we will use will be, would be, shall be, should be, can be, could be, may be, might be. Whatever the modal auxiliary is used in future tense of this, after it we will put be to get our passive voice answer. Understand changing of assertive sentences in future tense. The first sentence in active voice, I shall write a poem. Now remember one thing, shall is normally used for first person singular and for first person plural. But when you write in passive form, you will change shall always to will. This you have to remember. Why? Because shall is only for first person, singular and plural. Now here in this sentence, I shall write a poem. Our object is a poem. A poem is third person. So shall will change to will. A poem will, and then you will put be. Written by me. There I have put it in italics. Shall will change to will. Always it will change to will. Otherwise all the auxiliaries will remain as they are. If it is can in the question, in the answer it will be can. If it is will in the question, in the answer it will be will. If it is may in the question, the answer will be also may, followed by be. Next question. They will continue the project next month. Now our object over here is the project. See, the auxiliary that I have used is will. So the project will be. Continue changing to continued by them next month. Third question. We may join the new team tomorrow. Our object is the new team. The auxiliary is may. So in the answer also it will remain may followed by be. The new team may be joined changing to joined by them tomorrow. Next question. We should respect the elders. Object is the elders. Should is your auxiliary. So our answer will also have should, then followed by be. The elders should be respected by us. These were the assertive sentences. Then interrogative sentences. The first sentence in active voice, will he accompany me to the market? Question started with will. So our answer will start with shall. Why? I will tell you once again. Our object is me. Now me, when it takes the place of object changing to subject, now it has come in front in passive voice, it becomes I. So for I, as I had told, it will become shall. Because of I, our answer starts with shall. Shall I be accompanied by him to the market? This is what you have to remember. If there is I, then you put shall, otherwise no. Next question. Can you lift this heavy box? Object is this heavy box. Question started with can. Answer also will start with can. Can this heavy box be lift changing to lifted by you? Third question. Will she forget the new password? Question started with will. Answer also will start with will. Why? Because our object is the new password. If the object would have been me, it would have changed to I. Then will would have changed to shall, as in the first sentence on your screen. But here our object is third person, not first person. The new password is third person. So answer also will start with will. Will the new password B. Then forget changes to forgotten by her. Will the new password be forgotten by her? Next question. Will they wipe the floors anyhow? Now the object is the floors, but our answer will start with will only. Will the floors, then you put B. Wipe changing to wiped by them anyhow. These were interrogative sentences starting with WH words. The first sentence in active voice. Why will they complain the matter? Question is starting with why. So our answer also will start with why. Why will? Now the object is the matter. So why will the matter be complained by them? Why will the matter be complained by them? Next question. How can you drink tea like this? How the question has started with, so the answer also will start with how. Then you put can. Now our object is tea. So after can you will put tea. How can tea? Then you put be. Drink changing to drunk like this. How can tea be drunk by you like this? Next question. Where will you hide the keys of the car? Question has started with where. So answer starts with where. Then there is will. So will. Object is what in the sentence? The keys of the car. Where will the keys of the car be hidden by you? Hide changing to hidden by you. And then the interrogative mark. Which language will you speak in the meeting? Which language will be spoken by you in the meeting? So this was the understanding of interrogative sentences with WH words.